Dear students, I welcome you all to online video lecture of 6th semester on the subject Indian economics. In my previous two video lecture, we have discussed about the first unit of the syllabus in which I have covered subtopics, that is meaning of Indian economy, classification of economic systems of the world, the general characteristics of developed and underdeveloped countries, and basic characteristics of Indian economy as an underdeveloped economy, and also structure of Indian economy, economic reforms and economic development, under which the merits and demerits, that is positive and negative impacts of economic reforms on Indian economy. Today, we have to discuss another subtopic of the first unit, that is environment and economic development. Friends, before we go to discuss the issues of environment, let us try to know the introduction and meaning of environment. Friends, environment is a God's gift to humanity or human being and play an important role in economic development of a country. Friends, let us try to understand the meaning of environment. Environment is a comprehensive concept or term refers to a set of conditions or set of surroundings in which man lives. That means it includes both biotic and non-biotic living and non-living components which are interdependent and interlinked with each other. Friends, the conflict between economic growth and environment is sharper today than ever before, particularly in developing countries. In other words, today the entire bounty of nature, including air, water, and green cover, are under threat in the name of economic development. Therefore, in recent years, there has been growing concern about degradation and pollution of environment as they impact on the future development of both the developing and developed countries. Now let us try to understand the need for environmental protection. Friends, the conflict between economic growth and economic environment exists since time immemorial. Before 1970, most of the countries were followed unsustainable development strategy. Then what is the unsustainable development strategy? We try to understand, which aims at only rapid economic growth without having any concern about environmental protection, and that results in huge environmental imbalance or pollution across the world. But after 1970, realizing the importance of environment, most of the countries started following sustainable development strategy, which aims at rapid economic growth along with environmental protection. Now let us try to understand what is the meaning of sustainable development. The sustainable development means the meeting the needs of present generation without damaging the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Dear students, try to note this particular point because from the point of the examination there is a possibility of 2 marks or objective type question meaning of sustainable development. I repeat once again, the meaning of sustainable development that refers or means the meeting the needs of present generation without damaging the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Friends, the concept of sustainable development became popular and created a sense of responsibility on the present generation, that is, to use, to protect, and to preserve the available natural resources for the benefit of future generation. Therefore, the environmental protection and green economy has become a catchy word everywhere with the following slogans: Save the nature to save the future, Green planet is a clean planet, Save environment, save life in present days. Friends, Environmental degradation is a global problem and that can be controlled only through well balanced and rational sustainable development strategy for a better environment and better tomorrow. Therefore, the growth and environment like two eyes, one should not neglect either of two. Therefore, it is rightly said that uphold the culture to protect the nature for better future. With this, I conclude today's lecture. We shall discuss another subtopic of the first unit in the next class. Thank you.